Just wanted to give you a quick update on my control website here. I'm mainly playing with the servo movement. So I have all these different things I could do here. I have whether you could choose the body or the dome or both. So if you want to do all of them, all the body ones, you could choose the body, or all the dome ones, you could choose the dome ones, or kind of do all of that. Then here you could do dome first, body first. So if you want the, let's say this panel wave to start in the dome, you could do that. If you wanted to start the body first, you could do that, and you could change that. Some of the big things I've been working on, which is this here, these options. So it allows you to do servo easings, the duration of the movement, and variable speed in the actual easing method. And then you could do a delay called duration. So that kind of allows me to do the panel wave in, say, the body first. Then I wait 2 seconds, and then it'll call the one in the dome. So it'll have time to finish the ones in the body, and then it'll start the dome, and then vice versa. If I want to do dome first, I can change this to about 3 seconds because there's a few more servos, so it takes a little longer, and then it kind of makes it all seamless. And then these buttons here, so if I change something here, so these are all the different options I could choose. If I change something there, and say put 1,000 for 1 second there, I can clear all that off right there. So if I want to do something, let's just say these are some presets ones, so these ones I kind of like a lot. So if I want to do that, you kind of could see everything moving. Same thing that's down. If I wanted to change that slightly different, you can see now they all move, but they're all moved slightly different at a different pace. And that's what that variable speed, that's the Real 2 library presents, yes, it gives you. And then so these are just 3 different options. I could create a bunch of more, but these are just kind of 3 that I've played around with. You can see all the different movements and how smooth it is. And then you can just clear that all out. Now it's just simple servo movement. You do a flutter. So if you wanted to do this panel wave right now, if you click that, you see the dome and the body go together. And so if I change this to 2.5, so that's what I've kind of figured out works best for this. And you can do the body ones, and then see the dome ones go right after that. Nor all the servos that don't move, they're kind of dead servos that have fried up. I bought the cheapest ones possible, and it shows. So I've kind of been playing around with this. I've got all this working pretty good. I still need to implement this feature here. So like the LEDs, when you click on these, it allows you to choose which one. So I want to be able to choose, say I want to open this door and this door, and then hit this open button, and only those 2 doors open. So I have all the code behind it on the ESPs working. I just have to program the website to do that and create a bunch of ones for the dome as well. So right now there's only 1 servo here that looks like it's open, or 1 selection here. So I just got to go through and create all them. Not a lot of tough work, just a little bit tedious work. And I've also implemented some sound. So you'll see, hit that, you get some sound. I have a bunch more sounds. I just did 3 just to kind of and you could also, in the ESP code, I have it so if I chose the body and just hit all open, it automatically does a sound during the sequence, so you can kind of put all these together. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm working on lately. I haven't done much else with the LEDs or this main home screen. Periscope lifter hasn't changed. And then the settings, I just kind of have different things you can send settings or commands to. And right now only the one as a reset. I'll have all that done up as well. But this is where I'm at right now. So there's been a ton of work, not so much on this front end, but the back end of how to get commands throughout this, because these are different ESP32s, and then I was going to do sound out of just a little chip, but then I said I had this MP3 trigger, so I might as well use it. So yeah, that's what I've been working on. Let me know what you think.